Hello everyone, Devashish again from Debs Learning Hub, my YouTube channel Debs Learning Hub and my Facebook page too, Debs Learning Hub. So आज हम लोग क्या स्टार्ट करेंगे? आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे क्लास 11 सेट्स. This is the first class. I will try to cover sets within 3 or 4 classes, right? So today's first class on sets, the topics I am going to cover: concept of a set, what do you mean by set, and then representation of set, and then few of the examples covering these two topics. Okay, so let's start. What is set actually? Set is a collection of objects. What kind of objects? Well-defined objects and distinct objects. So set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. What does it mean? There are two terms, right? Two things you need to remember: well-defined objects and distinct objects. Let's have it. Example. So set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. These two terms you need to remember. What does it mean by that? For an example, all big cities in India. Is it well-defined? It's not well defined, because big cities, this is a very relative term, right? All big cities in India, this is not a set, because this definition is not well defined. But if I say all metro cities in India, then it's set, because the metro cities, those are well defined as well as these are distinct. If I say all good students from class 5 to 10 in a school, is it well defined? All good students? No. But if I say fast boy of all classes from 5 to 10, that means it is well defined and distinct, right? So this is what the concept of set. So now let's take another example. Right, so let's say there are a group of numbers or collection of numbers 1, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, right? How many numbers are there? Total 6 numbers are there, but out of 6 numbers, 1 is twice, but 5, 7, 9, 3, all these numbers only once. So when I will form the set from this collection of numbers, the set will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. I will not mention 1 twice. So only the distinct items or objects we will take, and those are well defined. If I say all even natural numbers less than 10, it's very well defined. So all even natural number starts from 1. Once a natural number start hota hai. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and it's continue like this. So now the question is all even natural numbers less than 10. You need to express in the form of set. So what are the numbers which will come in the set? The numbers will come 2, 4, 6 and 8. That's it. So these 4 numbers are the set you can define if you are asked to form the set with all even natural numbers less than 10. Okay? So that is the concept of set. Now I will give you few more examples when I will come to point number 3, examples. Okay. So there are 2 ways we can represent any set. Number 1 is roster or tabular form, and another way of representation is set builder form or rule method. Okay, so let's explain roster or tabular form now. So in roster or tabular form, all the members or objects of a set has to be written within a curly bracket and with comma. Within a curly bracket and with comma. So you are asked to express a set in roster form where S is a group of natural prime numbers below 15. That means the prime natural number, it starts from, natural number starts from 1, but the first prime number is 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These are the numbers you need to write down within curly bracket and with comma. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These are the prime numbers that you need to write down within curly bracket and with comma. Right? Let's say if you are asked to write down a set in roster form from the word mathematics, all the letters, write down the set A, which is all the letters from the word mathematics. So what is the spelling of mathematics? So this is the spelling of mathematics, M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S, but we can see there are few letters, those are repeated. So in mathematics, what is the total number of letters we can see here? The total number of letters we can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total number of letters is 11. But how many members are there in set A? So A will be, A equals to, it is M, comma, A, comma, T, comma, H, comma, E, comma, M will not come further, A will also not come further, T will also not come in further, I will come, I, and then C, and then S. So in the set A, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A is a set with 8 members. So that is how you need to define any set in roster form. So in the roster or tabular form, you need to define all the members within curly bracket and with comma. Got it? There is no rule defined for that. Roster form allows us to see all the members at a glance. Now you will understand better what does it mean when I will explain set builder from rule method. Rule method kya hota hai? Okay. So now what is set builder from or rule method? So in roster or tabular form, we can see all the members at a glance within the curly bracket. But when we are representing it in set builder form or rule method, we will represent in terms of a variable followed by a colon and then the property of the variable. What does it mean actually? How we can represent this set of roster form or tabular form to builder form, then it will be easier for you to understand. समझने में easy हो जाएगा, ठीक है? तो कैसे लिख सकते हैं? A equals to, what did I say? Variable. It could be x, y, z, any variable. Let's say it is x. Then colon. Then what is the property of x? Property of x is, it is natural number start कहाँ से होता है? 1, 2, 3. So it is 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. That means all the natural numbers square. So a equals to x colon within curly bracket. And what is the property of x? X is the square of natural numbers. So that is how we can write down this roster or tabular form set into set builder form. Set builder form, we represent all the members as x. Then what is the property of the x? X colon, then property is x is the square of natural numbers. Here x square of natural numbers means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So from the roster form, you can see all the numbers at a glance, but you need to apply your logic when it is represented in set builder form or rule method. Got it? I will give another example. Let's say there is a set. In which form it is there? It is in roster form or roster or tabular form or set builder form. Obviously it is in roster or tabular form because all the members are mentioned with a comma within curly bracket. There is no rule or no variable part it is there. So it is in the roster or tabular form. अगर ये बोलता है जो ये जो सेट है इसको एक्सप्रेस करो इन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म और रूल मेथड, कैसे हम लोग कर सकते हैं? तो हर मेंबर बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसा रूल सेट करना पड़ेगा जहां से जेनेरिक एक एक्सप्रेशन सेट करो जिससे ये पूरा जो सेट है रोस्टर फॉर्म में इसको आपने एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो. सो कैसे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं? हम लोग लिख सकते हैं E इक्वल्स टू विद इन कर्ली ब्रैकेट वेरिएबल x कोलोन, जहां पे x क्या है? x इज ऑल द positive odd integers below 14. X is positive odd integers. So it is in the form of set builder form. This is in the form of set builder form. This generic expression, you don't need to give all the numbers. That is why it is easy to read always the roster or tabular form, but in set builder form or rule method you are expressing the entire set of numbers in the form of a rule. X is representing all the members, where x property of x is positive odd integers below 14, or you can say x is natural odd numbers below 14. Natural number starts with a 1, right? So natural number starts with 1, it continued from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So all these numbers, those are below 14. So anyways, you can say any of these two, positive odd integers or natural odd numbers below 14. Got it? So that is the difference between roster or tabular form and set builder form. But there is a limitation of set roster or tabular form. If there is a huge number of large number of members, so there it is always better to express in the form of set builder form. Got it? Now another thing, if A is a set of this collection of numbers, then each member of that set can be represented like this. Let's say 3 is a member of set A. How can you represent like this? 3A. So if I say 3 is a member of A, that's how the symbol has to be there. This is true. 7 is a member of A. This is true. But 2 is a member of A. Is it true? No, it is not true because 2 is not the member of set A. So in that case, you will put like this. क्रॉस. यहाँ पे कुछ स्टेटमेंट दे रहा है और वो सेट है कि नहीं. क्या बोला है? स्टेट व्हिच ऑफ द गिवन कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स इज अ सेट. कलेक्शन ऑब्जेक्ट तो हो ही सकता है, लेकिन वो सेट है कि नहीं, बेस्ड ऑन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सेट, वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. नंबर 1, a collection of popular cinema actors of India. What is the definition of popular actors? It is not well defined. Somebody will say Shah Rukh Khan, somebody will say Amitabh Bachchan, somebody will say Amir Khan. So there is no proper definition, well definition. So it is not a set. Number 2, the collection of even natural numbers less than 51. Is it a set? Yes, obviously it is a set because very well defined. Collection of even natural numbers. Natural numbers start होता है 1 से. So even natural numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and that's how it will continue till 50. So starting from 2 till 50. So it's a set. So I hope the concept it is clear very much now by this time. The roster or tabular form of set expressing or representing a set in roster or tabular form versus set builder form or rule method. So if you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you'd like to have the notification as soon as I upload it in YouTube or Facebook, please subscribe my YouTube channel Debs Learning Hub and also follow my Facebook page Debs Learning Hub. Thank you very much.